The Sony A6000 may be an older camera, but it's still one of the most popular beginner mirrorless cameras out there, and for good reason. It's lightweight, fast, affordable, and delivers great image quality for anyone getting into photography or content creation. You get a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, which produces clean, sharp photos with great color and detail. Autofocus is still impressive even today, with Sony's fast hybrid system and excellent tracking. Perfect for kids, pets, travel, street photography, or everyday shooting. The A6000 shoots 11 frames per second, making it great for action or casual sports. And even though the video is limited to 1080p, it's still more than enough for simple vlogs, YouTube clips, or social media content. The compact size makes this camera super convenient. It fits into small bags, travels easily, and pairs well with Sony's lightweight APS-C lenses, so it's perfect for students, families, new creators, or anyone upgrading from a phone. So who should buy the A6000? Beginners who want a real camera without spending much, travelers who want something light, or hobby shooters who want great photos on a budget. Why buy it? Because it's affordable, fast, reliable, and delivers excellent image quality for a camera this size and price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.